Hey guys, this is Geek Out Everything and we are back with another video guys, and in this one I'm gonna show you how you can get the always on display on any of your Android device. It doesn't matter if your phone has AMOLED display or not, but you can get this feature on any of your phone. So you have to download this called AMOLED. Just download it from Play Store, or I have a link in the description below, so you can just go there and download it. It looks something like this, as you can see. So open it, and now you have to allow some permissions so you can use it. Just ignore that calling one, but yeah, the last one is mandatory. And now you can just go there and accept it, and now this is what it's looked like. And now you have to go to the service and enable it in case it's disabled. So as you can see, we have our AMOLED display over here, which is pretty simple, nothing special, but yeah, you have the always on display over here. And now let's go to the app again and look for some extra stuffs that we have over here. So when you go to the service, we have theme, and now if you go to the brightness control, then we have some brightness options, which is also nothing important here, so just ignore this one because it just have some auto brightness and brightness of your always on display. And yeah, and now if you go to the watch face, here you can do some really nice stuffs, like you can customize your watch face, change the color, change the size of the font and all that stuff, which is I think really great. Like you can customize it according to your personal preference, and you can also write some on-screen memo. For example, let's say hi. So let me just close it, and it should be there. And as you can see, it's there, hi. So you can write anything or any reminder you want to have on your screen, so you can do the same. And yeah, so that's on-screen memo stuff. And now if you go to the edge lighting option, which is again a pretty great thing, and let me just show you what edge lighting is. It's just some customization stuffs. So yep, and as you can see here, we have edge color mode. You can customize it, and you can also turn on or turn off the edge lighting from here. As you can see, it's on notification right now, so whenever you get notification, it will show the edge lighting. And just to show you, let me just put it on always on, so you'll get an idea what it looks like. And here we have some option like edge mode smooth. Just put it on smooth, and yep, as you can see, this is what it is, and it looks kind of a cartoonish, but you can customize it according to your personal preference. Like as you can see, we have some colors, and you can also customize the thickness of this one. So as you can see, we have a corner radius, edge size, and edge speed, all that stuff, which is I think great. Like you can customize anything you want. Yeah, and as you can see, now it looks much better. And guys, I would recommend you to just not to use this edge lighting, or you can put it on notification whenever you get notification, because it will eat your battery a little, so you have to be aware of that. And if I show you some watch faces that we have over here, then as you can see, these are the watch faces, and I would recommend you to just choose the simplest one. Like it should not have too much colors, because the simple one will eat a less battery, and I would recommend you to just choose the simple one to save the battery life, so yeah. And we have some stickers option, I don't know what that is, but yeah, nothing important. And we have some backgrounds, but it just comes down to a personal preference, but I would not recommend you to just choose the background, because it will eat your battery a little, and that might be a problem. But guys, as you can see, it actually looks pretty good like this, isn't it? We have this watch face, pretty simple one, and the edge lighting as well. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe to my channel. That would be really helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.